Hi everyone, today we will discuss about how to do a page setup in Excel. So everyone will make a confusion on that how to make a standard page setup in Excel. So I will explain you today briefly to do what is the standard procedure to do a Excel page setup. So see, I have a number of multiple sheets, total 5 sheets. So here I am selecting by pressing the control. I am selecting all the sheets. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. So go to the page layout in the top ribbon, select the page layout and go to the print title. See here we have the page, margins, header, footer and sheet. So in the each section we have to what is the standard I followed. It is a maximum we can able to follow that. If anything please mention in the comment section. Maybe I can also know the new things from you. So in the page we have the two types of page setups. One is portrait and second one is a landscape. So I need landscape. I am selecting landscape. So here adjacent to 100% nominal size. Here I have selecting the pages 1 to 100 or some, depends upon the pages we have. Pages means not this tab sheets. Each tab sheet how many pages you can able to print the data we have data is required to print. So paper size, see the paper size is A3, A4. So my data is smaller data, that's why I am selecting the A4 size. So the bigger files you can able to make it A3 size like that. So here the print quality is 600 dpi. So here the first page we have done the setup. So next we are going for margins. Here you can select see current on page, horizontal and vertical. Select the horizontal every time and make it top based on your header and footer. You make it 1.1 or 1.9 something. So left side what is there, you can make it 0.5 and header also 0.5 and right also 0.5. See, except this top and bottom, remaining all I mentioned as 0.5. Okay, next header and footer. Header is nothing but above the top of the sheet. What are the logos or what are the information you require to mention, you can able to mention. And footer means below the sheet. So when you printing the bottom of the sheet, what do you require to mention? The page number or any sheet, the Excel sheet number, sheet name or anything you can able to mention here. See, I am mentioning header. I am mentioning that left side of the header I am mentioning Sri, like your organization name, like anything you can mention. I can mention India, like. And right side section make it select HYD. But for your understanding I am doing this for header. So make it footer. So footer selection also I am selecting this center selection. If you see any of the books, we can center selection should be page 1 of 2, 1 of 3 like that we can mention. No, page 1, how to mention the page 1 of 2. So here if you see I am writing the page and taking the second one is a selection and making the space and off I am writing and selecting this third one. So here I am making the page 1 of 2, 1 of 3 like that and right side section. So I am every time I will mention the right section should be the name of the sheet. So it should be on the tab, insert the sheet name. See here it is the tab, insert the sheet name. So I am making insert sheet name. So third one is rows to repeat. Actually I am selected multiple sheets. For this we can't able to operate this. For rows to repeat that we need to do individual sheets. So see now the page setup is done and I am ungrouping the sheets. See if I am doing the control print. See here left side of the corner it is showing the India and right side of the header showing is Hyderabad. Say bottom we can have page 1 of 1 and the sheet name is sheet 1 and see the page clearly. It is printed, we giving the printed clearly. So like this. And if see I have the multiple data here. I am entering some data. So again, so here if you see, now I am doing the page. So here see page 1 of 2. So I have 2 pages. So when the data entered is goes to second page. So here I can't able to see the header. So in the before I said that in the page setup we have to select the rows to repeat. So what are the rows we have to select to repeat? See serial number, description, what you have to need to repeat on the second page. So I am selecting 2 of 2. And see now that when doing the page print, see serial number, description, count, it is repeating. So if you have 100 pages also, the repeat of the row will be goes to the 100 sheets also. So like this we can able to make a standard page setup in Excel. So hi friends, if you feel our efforts are useful to you, please like video and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends, thank you for watching.